Welcome back. In this lesson, I'll show you how to print a cell range selection. First, you select the range you want to print. I want to print this area of the worksheet. Good. I select this range. Let me select, okay. So after you selected the range, you click on your print preview. Good, you're here. Go to this settings section and click on this drop down arrow. Select the print selection option. It only prints the current selection, so I'll click on it. Good. Now you can see my current selection, though it spans to 2 pages, but I want it in 1 page. So I'll just go to scaling and say fit all columns on 1 page. So now I have it. So all my columns are on 1 page. Right. So that's how you go about printing selection in Excel. See you in the next lesson.